Flowers always bring that extra oomph to a room. And for those who are looking for a cool, modern and stylish interpretation of a bouquet or flower arrangement, the Avalanche Rose is the way to go. I'm at flower shop Floristyle in Frankfurt, where I will find out how to make a flower piece for a creative and stylish audience. Let's go. Petra, we're in flower shop Floristyle, and well, you have in your hand also a bouquet that your sister made using the Avalanche Rose. The Avalanche Rose is quite a classic rose, has a classic feel to it, but how do you combine it with other materials to make it more vintage, stylish, modern, cool?
So we combine it today with some branches from old apple trees and eucalyptus, which is most wanted green of the time. You find it everywhere. You find it in Instagram and Pinterest, wherever you look for.
Well, then it must be very stylish. Yeah. Well, I like what happens here. It's a very, very beautiful bouquet. With your permission, I would like to take this bouquet to a very cool and stylish spot with a nice vibe. And I know just the place. This is the place, the espresso bar in the center of Frankfurt. Some of the best coffee in town. Let's bring the flowers inside and see if they're willing to make a trade. Hi there, wie geht's?
Hey, good, thank you.
Look, I have these beautiful flowers here and I heard you have the best espresso in town. Are you willing to make a trade?
Why not?
Yes?
Yeah,
cool.
we will do our best.
Yeah, let me find a nice spot for the flowers. Here we go.